In this video, I'll be showing you a few simple methods to help speed up your downloads in Safari. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Wi-Fi. Next to your connected Wi-Fi network, tap the information icon. Scroll down and select Configure DNS. Change the option from automatic to manual. Now, remove the existing DNS servers by tapping the minus icon and selecting Delete for each one. Once that's done, tap Add Server. Enter 8.8.8.8, and then tap Add Server again to add 8.8.4.4. When you've finished, tap Save. After making these changes, go back to Safari and check whether your download speed has improved. If it's still slow, return to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Scroll all the way down again and select Safari. Then, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data, followed by Clear History. This can help remove old cached data that might be slowing Safari down. Finally, if you're still experiencing slow speeds, open Settings once more, scroll down to General and tap on it. Then scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. After your device restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. This should fix any remaining issues and improve your Safari download speeds. Let me know in the comments if this solution worked for you.